Hello guys, now we will discuss about equipotential surfaces. So in the figure, at which surface potential difference at any point will be constant, or at any surface electric charge will be same, is called equipotential surface. ફરી કહું છું ગાઈસ, ધ્યાન આપજો. શું છે equipotential surface? At which surface potential difference at any point will be constant, or at any surface electric charge will be same, is called equipotential surface. In equipotential surface, at midpoint set electric charge Q. This charge created electrical field E. So in figure guys, at midpoint Q charge is set, its electrical field in outward ways. So in figure we show that ચારે દિશામાં ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ફિલ્ડ પ્રવર્તે છે. અહીંયા મિડ પોઈન્ટ પર ક્યુ ચાર્જ આપણે સેટ કર્યો છે. શું છે? In equipotential surface, at midpoint set electric charge Q. This charge created electrical field E. Electrical field E always passing in a parallel form into equipotential surface. When electrical field pass into surface, then created work done. So in figure guys, three surface we saw, its electrical field is passing parallel to each other. So in figure guys, we show that the created work done. What is work done? W is equal to integration of E into D0. E into D0 cos theta, where theta is equal to 90. Why? They are parallel to each other. Then cos theta is equal to 90, then cos 90 is equal to 0, then work done is equal to 0. From figure 3, we said that in equipotential surface charge Q transform any point created work done is 0. Okay guys, understand what I say? Let's discuss again. What is equipotential surface? At which surface potential difference at any point will be constant, or at any surface electric charge will be same, is called equipotential surface. In equipotential surface, at midpoint set electric charge Q. This charge created electrical field outward ways. Electrical field E always passing in parallel to each other. Its work done E into D0, its integration, is equal to E D0 cos theta, where theta is equal to 90, then total work done is 0. In figure 3, we show that the work done is 0. Okay guys, understand equipotential surface. Okay, now the next topic, relation between electric field and electric potential. From this figure, we note that two surfaces A and B set very nearly, where its potential difference is V and V plus rho V. Here two surfaces set, first surface and second surface nearly. Here potential difference V, and second it's V plus rho V. Here rho V denoted charge of electrostatic potential in a direction of electrical field. Okay guys, also from this figure note that A to P distance is L. A to P, this is A, this is P, distance કેટલું આપ્યું છે? L. When electrical charge Q set at point P, then this charge created electrical field. This work done magnitude W is equal to E into dL is equal to difference of electrostatic potential VA minus VD. Then from above the information, VA minus VB is equal to E into rho L. Okay, V is in vector form, Va minus Vb is equal to E into rho L. Va, what is the potential? Vb, V plus rho V minus V plus rho V is equal to E into dl. V cancel out, then we will get E is equal to minus rho L by rho V. This is the electrical field. How is electrical field? Minus rho L upon V. At which direction electricity potential spreadly decrease at the area electrical field will be present. Electric field magnitude is exponential to the difference of electrostatic potential. We will get E is equal to minus rho L by V. This equation is important for the sum based on relation between electrical field and electrostatic potential. Okay guys, easy question છે, 2 માર્કમાં પૂછાઈ શકે તેવો છે, યાદ રાખજો. શું કરવાનું? 2 સરફેસ દોરી નાખવાની. પહેલો સરફેસનો પોટેન્શિયલ V લેવાનો, સેકન્ડનો V પ્લસ rho V લેવાનો, એનો ડિફરન્સ લઈ લો. Va માઇનસ Vb ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ એનું વર્ક ડન કેટલું થાય? A ઇન્ટુ rho L. Then we will get E is equal to minus rho L by V. Okay guys. Now the next topic, conductor is in electrical field. What is conductor? What is electric field? You know all about this. When conductor set inside electrical field, then created situation are conductor set in this electrical field, then electric charge expand onto this conductor but only outside. You know that from this figure we saw that when conductor set in this electrical field, then electric charge expand onto this conductor but only outside. Second situation શું છે? Inside the conductor net electric charge Q is equal to 0. Inside this conductor net electric field is also 0. Always electrical field lines set parallel to this conductor. Okay guys, we saw that conductor is in electrical field. Three situation જોઈએ આપણે. Conductor set in electrical field, then electric charge expand onto the conductor but only outside. Second one શું છે? Inside electrical charge and electric field is equal to 0 and always electrical field lines set parallel to this conductor. Fourth one છે, when inside this conductor is equal to 0, PD is constant. Why? E is equal to 0, then potential difference is constant. When image a cavity inside the conductor also is cavity, electric charge will be 0. This process is called electrostatic shielding. Guys, 1 mark no question પૂછાય. What is electrostatic shielding? When image a cavity inside the conductor also in cavity, electric charge will be 0. This process is called electrostatic shielding. Okay guys. Now the last topic of today's lecture, electric charge on conductor. When electric charge expand on conductor or not in both conductor, inside the conductor electric field is equal to 0. We saw that this is conductor, this is small part of conductor, positive charge. When electric charge expand or conductor or not to both conductor, inside the conductor electrical field is 0. Outside created electric field, when we have to find, then using formula E is equal to rho upon epsilon 0. How you find electrical field? Above, using this equation, E is equal to rho upon epsilon 0. Electric charge always expand outside the conductor but not inside. We saw in previous section, previous topic, electric charge always expand outside of the conductor but not inside. Here electric charge created electric field, which set parallel to this conductor. When we have to image a cavity inside the conductor and expand electric charge into this cavity, then outside cavity inside this conductor electrical field is equal to 0. Inside the cavity and outside the conductor is not 0. Please guys prefer this video and understand the topic. What you understand, please make note. I know you all guys do not send me a note. Please send me your class note. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો પ્લીઝ તમારી ક્લાસ નોટ મને સેન્ડ કરતા રહેજો. હું તમને આના પિક્સ સાથેની વિડીયો સેન્ડ કરતો રહીશ. ઓકે ગાઈઝ, see you in next lecture. Thank you so much guys.